Hi guys, today we're going to be making waffle.
And you can call me.
And this is Caroline, my sous chef. Introduce yourself.
Okay,
Wait, what's your name?
my name is Tata Mwasi Kawala.
That's right. Here we go. Guys, so what we're gonna need is some eggs, sugar, flour of course, salt, milk, oil, and 2 bowls. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to beat the eggs until it's nice and foamy. Okay, while she's stirring, I'm gonna put my 2 cups of flour. So just 2 cups. There's a half a cup of milk I'm gonna pour into the egg mix. Careful. Good girl.
And now I'll mix.
So the recipe also requires to put some oil. Now on the recipe note it says to put half a cup of oil, but because I don't want my waffle too oily, so I put about less than half a cup really. I'm gonna pour that there. So to the dry ingredients, here, not there, we're gonna add half a cup of sugar.
Yes.
Put it in.
And now put all the sugar inside. And after I'll mix it.
Yeah, but you have to put the salt as well. So about half a teaspoon, 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt. That's enough. It's alright. Don't worry about it.
And I'll put some
Put it.
salt.
Mix the liquid ingredients to the dry ingredients. Put it all. There we go. And mix it. So I'm just going to put a little bit of oil on my waffle maker just to make it easy for it to slip out, come out of it without getting stuck inside. And this is how it looks like. Look how. So the waffles are done. You can have them like that if you want to. I mean, the kids are gonna have it with just maple syrup on top and sugar or whatever. But I find it kind of boring like that. For myself, I'm gonna be making a peanut butter sauce and cinnamon on top, and with bananas chopped to make it a little bit more interesting and exciting to eat. So I am African after all, so we eat a lot of peanut butter. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna be making that peanut butter sauce now. Only about this much butter for the amount of sauce I want anyway, since it's for myself, so I don't really want that much. Not sure until it's melted. So I added about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter inside. Now you have to be careful with the heat. I'm not gonna put it on the maximum. I put it in the middle, so depending on what your middle is. Mine is 3, so mine is on 3, so I'm gonna make sure that I don't melt this above its melting temperature or below, whatever it is. Don't melt it too much because it's gonna get stuck and it's gonna get a bit harder. I think this is enough. This is what I wanted, so I'm gonna remove it off the pan. So I put my peanut butter on top of my waffles. I chopped some bananas and put it on top. Now I'm going to be using some cinnamon to put it on top. Just a little bit of cinnamon because I love cinnamon. There we go. And that's what it looks like. So I'm done, right? I'm gonna give it a try. This is heavenly.
My name is Caroline.
And
Tata Moisi, and I'm making some. I'm mixing the egg
for the waffles. Okay.
for the waffle.
Silly sausage and our pig. Go away! No, stay away! So, this is going to be really hard to demonstrate and concentrate.
Can I do it?
No.
Okay. What will
Because
put in that
okay,
tray?
while we wait for the other one to get ready, we can already start putting some on
Can
these
I?
ones. Okay, I'm going to let you then.
Can I try it also?
Wait! I will. I'll come. You record first.
And me, I can't eat.
You can, but record first. Look.
Yummy.
Say hi.
Hi.
Are you enjoying your pancake?
Yeah, there's no pancake.
I mean, your waffle. We'll do it again. Hi guys.
Hi. Hi.
Are you enjoying your waffles?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
Yes. No, me some fruit.
Try this. The ice cream.
No. And me?
You can.
Yum, yum, yum.
It's really yummy. It's so yummy.
Did the thing go inside?
Go away.